har vi utrolig fine hamburgere her. To burgere. Du ser her, 2 rene biffburgere, største type. Skal du ha Julie gå?
Hjertelig.
Så har vi Arctic Toast. Og kylling.
You want with me, and I would like to know what you would do if you would see me messing around.